In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy using your HP ENVELOPPES 6555e or similar models, as long as they have a small screen here on the left side. First step is to go ahead and input your paper in the scanner. While this printer has two scanners, a scan bed over here and a top document feeder on the top. Let me show you how to input your paper in both of these. Your printer may not have one of these on the top, but anyway, I'll show you. It just takes a few seconds. So over here, if you want to use the scanner glass, put your paper facing down with the top part towards the left side. And then align this corner of your printer with the corner of your document. What I mean by this is simply glide until both corners are touching here. Then close the scan lid. If you want to use the top document feeder, because you have multiple pages, you will want to copy at once. Take your pages, align them, and put them this time facing up with the top part of the page towards the left side. Glide them until you hear a small beep. This is just that the printer is telling you that it has noticed you have input something here. But I won't do this for this example. Go on the screen down below. You're going to select copy, which is the second option. And then you have document copy or ID card copy. You're going to select the first option. Then you have to input how many pages you would want. I just want one, so I'll leave it like this. If you go down, if you want to be printed in one side or both sides of the paper. And over here we have color. Do you want color or black and white? And quality. If you're scanning and you want a copy of a picture, I select usually best under quality. If you're just going to scan and copy text, you can leave it by default. Don't touch these settings. All right, once you're done, click the green icon here. Just have to wait. Usually it comes quite quickly. Let's take a look. You can even extend this. And here we go. We got our copy. Thanks for watching. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment as well.